I used to have a winch on this little Suzuki Jimny. But I kept having problems with electronics and everything else, and so I pulled it back off, put the stock electronics back on it, put the stock bumper back on it, and I just had the winch lying around. I was like, well, what can I do with that winch? So I figured I'd put it on this little Jeep. I think it turned out pretty good. I went ahead and pulled the winch apart and painted it olive drab. And of course I should have painted the hook too. I didn't think about that. So I may go back in to paint that olive drab or paint it black. I don't know yet. But I just pulled the winch completely apart, painted it, and then drilled some tiny holes inside it and some tiny holes in the back of this bumper. So I've got it screwed on and super glued on. But it works now. It's pretty cool. The remote actually has buttons for the winch right here. So I like that a lot. Has the winch option. The winch you can get for this just didn't look really very military-ish. And of course this one don't either, but I made it look more like military than the other one did. But I thought it turned out pretty good. So that was just my little mod for this Jeep. This Jeep's a lot of fun. I have a blast with it. It's just so scale looking. But let's go out running around for a little bit.